Hello, for Uber?
Hi, for Allie?
Yeah.
Okay.
How are you?
Hi, good. How about you?
Good.
Actually, I've been better. Today sucks.
What happened?
My boyfriend and I broke up.
Your boyfriend? You broke up with your boyfriend?
Yeah, he's an asshole. I'm happy it's over. It's fine.
Oh
it's
my
fine.
gosh.
I already have like 5 new boyfriends, so.
Well, talk
Yeah,
to me.
fuck him.
Talk to me. I'm your therapist. You know what they say? Uber drivers just basically free therapist.
That's true. Everyone's been telling me I need a therapist, so maybe you could fill the role for a little bit.
Yeah, I got you.
Okay, cool. So,
What's going on?
what am I supposed to do? I don't know how to be alone. This is crazy.
So you said you broke up, like, so who's cheating on who? Because there's always, who was in the wrong?
He was cheating, and then I cheated back. And
You
then,
cheated back on him?
Yeah, with his dad. But,
What?
I mean,
Are you serious?
he kind of deserved it. So.
Well, how old is his dad?
His dad's kind of fine. I'm not gonna lie. His dad's like 45.
Is he like a silver fox?
What does that mean?
Like he has gray hair? But he's like still good looking.
He's pretty hot. I mean, I don't know. I didn't
Dang.
notice any gray hair.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
So did he find out?
Not yet, but I think he's a little suspicious because I just randomly ended things because I couldn't stop thinking about his father. So.
That's insane.
Yeah.
Well, you said you're single now, right?
Yeah. Is there a reason you're driving into this deserted alleyway?
No. I'm just it's kind of a roundabout. So.
Okay.
Yeah. No, I'll make it out. No worries.
Okay.
You said you're single, right?
Yeah. Now.
Well, I mean, I know we just met, but I'm also single.
Really?
Yeah, and I know I'm just an Uber driver, but I mean, you never know where you might find love, right?
Is there a reason you just locked the doors?
Oh, it's a safety thing. Don't worry.
Okay. I mean, do you flirt with all your passengers like this? Like.
No, you're the first one I've ever flirted with.
That's what they all say.
I'm serious.
They all say.
I would never flirt with a passenger. That'd be so. This is professional. I'm a professional.
Babe, I would never trust you at work.
You just call me
with
babe.
all the girls like this.
You just call me babe.
I thought we were in a relationship.
So are you? This is like a joke. Like you're playing on me.
I mean, I don't know. You already kind of just failed the test because. What do you mean I can't call you babe?
I just thought it was kind of soon. I thought it was kind of soon.
Okay. Well, I think we're not moving fast enough. So.
Oh. I didn't know.
You want to go back to your place right now?
Are you serious?
I mean, no time like the present.
I mean, I guess I was gonna take you out on a date first.
Well, I guess I should probably go to the airport first before I miss my flight.
Nah, don't. You can catch a later flight. Don't worry about it.
I mean, I guess.
Just a little side note.
Yeah.
I do live with my mom though. Is it cool? Like.
Yeah, I don't know if I can do this.
Well, she's really cool. Like she'll love you.
Really?
Yeah, and like but we'll have to sneak past her room to get like I don't technically have a room at my house. It's kind of like a loft. But like if you're cool with it, like let me take you out to eat. What do you want to start? You want to start with food?
Sure. I'm a little bit hungry. I could definitely eat right now.
Okay. Well, I can't afford too much because I'm just an Uber driver. But I could afford McDonald's. You like McDonald's?
I mean, can we get fries with that?
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. We can. And I'm loving it.